She passes right in front of me. Suddenly, feels like I'm gonna fall. I can see all of my dreams so perfectly. Suddenly, love's not a dream at all. Somebody better come quick and rescue me. Sanity, when did it wander off? It's not like me, giving my heart so hastily. Suddenly, I'm in the thick of love. Suddenly, I spot her walking right towards me. Could it be that I have half a chance? I'd agree, I've got to do it casually. So